Hi, my name is Hala, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to delete an approved skill. The first thing you're going to want to do when you log into CourseKey is click on Management and Programs. Once you click on Programs, it's going to take you to all of your programs, and you will search for the applicable program, and you can click on it. Next, you're going to click on Program Progress, and you're going to select your student. Then you're going to select the checklist. Next, you're going to scroll down and it's going to show you a list of all of the competencies or skills and how many they've completed and how many are required. What you're going to do is you're going to go right here where it shows these two views and you're going to go to the list view. Once you go to this list view, what you're going to see is all of the completed competencies, and what you can do is locate the one you would like to remove. Scroll to the right and delete it. So you're going to click on this little trash can icon. Once you click delete, it will remove this approved skill, and now it will be removed from the student's checklist progress, requiring the student to complete the skill again.